My video is about getting rid of the fake Edge or Chrome browser update alerts. These alerts are absolutely fake. They come from the site Updatecompletelyfreetheproduct.vip. And as I said, such pop-ups may attack Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and possibly some other browsers too. But it is a mistake to actually interact with these pop-ups because the real purpose of these pop-ups is not to help you update your browser, but rather to force you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or browser hijackers. So anyway, if you see these pop-ups, don't tolerate them. Don't install any third-party extensions. I'm going to install this unwanted extension for the demonstration purposes in order to let you know how to get rid of them later on. So, speaking about removing unwanted extensions from Edge, access the menu, click on Extensions. If you find any extensions here, of course you should get rid of them. There is a program that can help you do that automatically. The program I recommend is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install this software, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as Anti-Ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.